Om Sai Ram to all the beautiful Baba lovers out there. So today I was actually reading the book of this cards itself, and I read the story of Mrs. Tarkad who wants to meet Baba, and then she goes first to have her meal. So when she's having her meal, she sees a dog coming there, and then she gives a piece of her bread, the bakri, to the dog, and the dog picks it up, it eats, and it goes away. And then there comes a pig, and this pig is very dirty. So usually people don't feed the pig, but still she feeds the pig also, and then the pig goes. Then she goes to Dwarka Mai to meet Baba, and there Baba says, "Thank you, dear mother, for feeding me. I was having hunger pangs." So what does this mean? I always, most of the Thursdays, I tell you all, feed a stray animal, because Baba, even in Sai Satcharitra, in many, many forms, he has always said, I live in everything. And Baba really meant that. Those who all have read Sai Satcharitra and those who all have been to Shirdi know that Baba used to feed a dog. Even today in the Aarti, there is a dog which comes and then it stands there during the Aarti and then it goes back, because that is the power of Baba. Baba has always loved animals. Baba has always said, be it an insect, be it a butterfly, be it a dog, be it a pig, I can come in any form. So always remember one thing: Baba doesn't have to come to you in the form of a human being. Baba can come to you to bless you in any form at all. So I was reading that, and then I remembered last week I had told you all how my pet had gone missing and how Baba had brought him back. Many a times in my life, whenever I feel very low, when I feel my mind is stuck, when I feel so many things happening around me and why it is happening, sometimes I even tell Baba, Baba, you only know how to give good things to bad people. You only know how to support people who harm others, who hurt others, but you're not ready to help genuine people. Sometimes I tell Baba also that that the turban in your head, I think that has covered your ears, and it's also covering your eyes. You don't know how people are suffering out there, and you allow all the bad people to win. And sometimes I just feel if I surrender to him, then he will handle. And sometimes I actually feel he tells me, what is the point in you thinking and talking so much? Instead, surrender whatever is your issue. Tell me whatever is your issue, and I will handle it. Even when I was reading that book, I still remember about a medical student about whom Baba, it is written in the book, where there's this guy called as Babu Tendulkar. He's a very hard working chap. He will read and read, and what happened was, there's an astrologer who visits Babu's mother, and he says that Babu will not pass. So then Babu gets very irritated, and Babu says, what's the point of reading if I'm going to fail? Now Babu's mother was very upset. She, tried to put in Babu's mind not to take things seriously, not to, bother about this. But the thing was, he was not ready to do it. Babu's mother had a lot of faith in Baba. So when Baba heard that, he said, don't believe in what people tell. Just study and have faith. Now, what happens is, Babu passed the exam. Babu not only passed the exam, he appeared the exam and he passed with beautiful marks. So sometimes we just need to surrender it to the God. We need to surrender to Him. We need to give our full-fledged faith to Him, and I'm sure He's going to help it. He helps me in many ways like that. Sometimes I tell, my mind is so stressed out, my mind is not taking the right decision. Baba, I have given it to you. You know what I want, and you know what is happening. You just handle it. Okay, I have again spoken a lot about it. Let's see what is Baba's cards. Reason. See, the mind is restless. Now, first I was reading reason. Now see here, the mind is restless. Let your intellect control your mind. So Baba is again, last week also, actually Baba gave me these beautiful cards where he was exactly talking what I was trying to say. And here again, he brings in a card saying, let the intellect control the mind, because whatever happens for a reason. Let's see, let me pick one more card. Okay, two cards have come, so let's see what are the two cards. Okay, this is the story I was talking to you all about, the mind power and the Sadguru. Baba is a true guru. He will take off your sufferings. Did you see? He will grant you relief. So Baba is saying, whatever you're suffering right now, I am there to take it away. I am there to help you. So I would just say what it reads here, surrender it to Baba and let him direct it. So, whatever is running in your mind right now, sit in front of Baba, burn a lamp, burn a ghee lamp, or just sit in front of him. Sometimes you don't even need a ghee lamp, just sit in front of him, tell him what is running in your mind, surrender it completely to him, and I'm sure by the end of the day, your answers will be given, and you'll be happy that you have received the answer and you know what is the right direction to take, provided you surrender it completely and you surrender it with the faith and you allow him to take the right decision for you and you don't question his decisions. If you feel Baba is guiding you to the decision, if your heart says that what if it goes wrong, tell the heart, I know Baba is always right. I always do that. Sometimes certain things come in my life where I feel, should I really be doing this? If Baba has said, I just tell myself, if he has said, then it is pathar ki lakir. Basically, it is carved on the stone and nothing can change it. So just go with it. So I hope you all resonated the readings today also. Om Sai Ram to all of you all. Keep feeding stray animals, keep feeding animals, treat animals equally with love the way you would treat your family members and see how Baba blesses you all. Om Sai Ram.